ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮಾತ್ರೇ ನಮಃ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ವೇದಜನನಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ದಶಕಂ 18. ಪೃಥು ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಚರಿತ್ರಃ. Dashakam 18 will be chanted in Vrittam Prakarshini. Shloka 1. In the lineage of King Dhruva, there was a king called Anga, and he had a son named Vena. Anga was very distressed at the evil temperament of Vena and went to the forest to invoke your grace. With his mind fixed on you, Guruvayurappa, जातस्य ध्रुवकुल एव तुङ्गकीर्तेः अङ्गस्य व्यजनिसुतः स वेणनामा तद्दोषव्यथितमतिः स राजवर्यः त्वत्पादे विहितमनावनं गतोऽभूत्। जातस्य ध्रुवकुल एव तुङ्गकीर्तेः अङ्गस्य व्यजनिसुतः स वेणनामा तद्दोषव्यथितमतिः स राजवर्यः त्वत्पादे विहितमनावनं गतोऽभूत्। Shloka 2. Though Vena was an evil-minded person, but because of his mighty valor, people of the kingdom appointed Vena as king for governance. He went about bragging about his strength and power everywhere and banned all types of worship on you, Krishna. पापोऽपि क्षितितलपालनाय वेणः पौराधीरुपनिहितः कठोरवीर्यः सर्वेभ्यो निजबलमेव सम्प्रशंसन् भूचक्रे तव यजनान्ययं न्यरौत्सीत्। पापोऽपि क्षितितलपालनाय वेणः पौराध्यैरुपनिहितः कठोरवीर्यः सर्वेभ्यो निजबलमेव सम्प्रशंसन् भूचक्रे तव यजनान्ययं न्यरौत्सीत्। Shloka 3. Hey Krishna, once some sages approached King Vena and advised him of proper conduct, but he indulged in abusing you and declaring that there was no other ruler on earth than him. Furious at this, the sages cursed him, and he attained the state of firefly and was destroyed like a moth. सम्प्राप्ते हितकथनाय तापसौघे मत्तोऽन्यो भुवनपतिर्न कश्चनेति त्वन्निन्दा वचनपरो मुनीश्वरैस्तैः शापाग्नौ शलबदशामनायिवेनः सम्प्राप्ते हितकथनाय तापसौघे मत्तोऽन्यो भुवनपतिर्न कश्चनेति त्वन्निन्दा वचनपरो मुनीश्वरैस्तैः शापाग्नौ शलबदशामनायिवेनः। Shloka 4. Hey Krishna, once the ruler having been killed and none else filled in his place, the atrocities of wicked people set in. Terrified at this, the sages approached the body of Vena, which has been preserved very long by his mother Sunita, and churned the thighs. Thus, his body became sinless. Then they churned his arms, from where you appeared as Prithu Krishna. तन्नाशात् खलजनभीरुकैर्मुनीन्द्रैः तन्मात्रा चिरपरिरक्षिते तदङ्गे त्यक्ताघे परिमथितात् अतोरुदण्डात् दोर्दण्डे परिमथिते त्वमाविरासिः तन्नाशात् खलजनभीरुकैर्मुनीन्द्रैः तन्मात्रा चिरपरिरक्षिते तदङ्गे त्यक्ताघे परिमथितात् अतोरुदण्डात् दोर्दण्डे परिमथिते त्वमाविरासिः. Shloka 5. Sages notified, as this was a famous incarnation of you, Krishna, as Prithu. Poets like Sutta sang in praise of the heroic acts which will be performed by you in future. Then you, as Prithu Krishna, attacked Mother Earth with your bow to retrieve all wealth which was withdrawn by her into her depths because of aggression of Vena. Vikyata prithuriti tapasopadiштैः सूत्याद्यै परिणुत भावि भूरि वीर्यः वेनार्थ्या कबलित संपदं धरित्रीम् आक्रान्तां निज धनुषा समामकार्षिः विख्यात पृथुरिति तापसोपदिष्टैः सूताद्यै परिणुत भावि भूरि वीर्यः वेनार्त्या कबलित संपदं धरित्रीम् आक्रान्तां निज धनुषा समामकार्षिः. Shloka 6. Again, Krishna, you inspired the Devas to milk from the earth as from the divine cow Surabhi. The leaders of the different groups of gods and others acted as calves, milking their desired requirements in appropriate special vessels. Bhuyastam nijakula mukhyavatsayuktair devadhyai samuchita charu bhajaneshu annadinyabhilashitani yani tani स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूमधूतुहस्त्वम् भूयस्तां निजकुलमुख्यवत्सयुक्तैर्देवाद्यैः समुचितचारुभाजनेषु अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूमधूधुहस्त्वम्. Shloka 7. Hey Krishna, Guruvayurappa, you started performing yajna for yourself through yourself as Prithu and commenced the 100th Ashwamedha yajna. Indra got jealous of this as his reputation of having conducted 100 Ashwamedha yajna was under threat. He came dressed shabbily and attempted to steal the horse, but was defeated in the subsequent battle by your son Vijitasva. आत्मानं यजति मखैस्त्वयित्रिधामन् आरब्धे शततमवाजिमेधयागे स्पर्धालुशतमख एत्यनीच वेषो हृत्वाश्वं तव तनयात् पराजितो भूत् आत्मानं यजति मखैस्त्वयित्रिधामन् आरब्धे शततमवाजिमेधयागे स्पर्धालुशतमख एत्यनीच वेषो हृत्वाश्वं तव तनयात् पराजितो भूत्. Shloka 8. Hey Krishna, Guruvayurappa, the sages then found Indra repeatedly trying to steal the yajna hearts, and they wanted to offer Indra himself as offer to the fire, but were stopped from doing so by Brahma. Then Krishna, you saw your own form manifested as Vishnu, the Mahavishnu, who is the slayer of Ashura Madhu on completion of the yajna. Devendram muhurti vajinam haraltam vahnau tam munivara mandale juhushau रुन्धाने कमल भवे क्रतो समाप्तौ साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुमैक्षता स्वयं स्वम् देवेन्द्रं मुहुर्ति वाजिनं हरन्तं वह्नौ तं मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ रुन्धाने कमल भवे क्रतो समाप्तौ साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुमैक्षता स्वयं स्वम्. Shloka 9. Hey Krishna, Prithu obtained from Vishnu the boon of totally dedicated devotion. You went to the banks of the Ganga river and explained to the sages assembled there the various paths of righteous duty for spiritual advancement. There you saw the four sages Sanaka, Sanatana, Sanatkumara and Sananda. Tadhattam varamupalabhya bhaktimekam Gangante vihitapadak कदाभिदेवः सत्रस्तं मुनिनिवहं हितानिशंसन् ऐक्षिष्टासनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात् तद्दत्तं वरम् उपलभ्य भक्तिमेकां गङ्गान्ते विहितपदक् कदापि देवः सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहं हितानिशंसन् ऐक्षिष्टासनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्. Shloka 10. Hey Guruvayurappa, Krishna, you secured the knowledge of Brahman from Sanaka and went to the forest after realizing your own form as Brahman. Thus, Hey Mahavishnu, who has the body of Prithu, please give me relief from all my ailments and diseases, Krishna. Vijnanam sanakamukhodhitam dadhanah स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी तत्तादृक्पृथुवपुरीश सत्वरं मे रोगौघं प्रशमय वातगेहवासिन् विज्ञानं सनकमुखोदितं दधानः स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी तत्तादृक्पृथुवपुरीश सत्वरं मे रोगौघं प्रशमय वातगेहवासिन् सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्द गोविन्द. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.